The best option, if we have good, better in the ASW, so good is SSW, better would be the ASW, and then our best option is obviously the AICs, or Advanced Inverter Chargers. This is one of the main products I definitely want to emphasize with you today. This is our premium integrated solution. It combines an inverter, converter, or charger, and transfer switch into one system. So from an installation and system design standpoint, this is a whole lot cleaner. You're going to reduce the number of separate components, right? We talked about that earlier. Simplifies the layout, gives the customer a more advanced system in a smaller and lighter package. These new units are replacing, like, if you're familiar with our older black and yellow big units, the IC series, this AIC line is the next generation of that. They are about 50% lighter than their predecessors, so it saves a whole heck of a lot of weight. It's a lot easier to install. The demo was going to be on one of these. You can watch the video after, but I was going to show how how the electrical connections are all made internally. We switched to a cleaner style of connection, so it's like a locking quick connects. You insert your cables, you lock them in place, and then that's it. They're locked in forever. If you want to see that demo, you can watch this video after the recording goes up. So with these models, these are available in 2000 single leg versions with 30 amp service in the 2000 watt model, and then there's a 3000 watt model available in two styles, 30 amp and 50 amp, single or dual leg. They also have, same as the predecessors, they have a power sharing capability, which is a super handy feature. Basically, it means that they can support high draw appliances like an air conditioner when a user is, they have a limited AC input source, so there's a small generator or very limited shore power. So example of that, let's say a customer has a 2000 watt generator and it comfortably can run their air conditioner, but it struggles to get it started because of that high surge required by AC units. Now, if you connect one of these in that circuit, this will automatically jump in and boost the limited generator power to support that high startup of the air conditioner. And then once that AC is up and running, the inverter charger will just back off and leave the generator to kind of handle the load. So it saves power, but it can also save your generator. Another part of this, I guess, that's nice is that the remote for these is the PowerTrak display. So they very naturally integrate directly into a PowerTrak system, which is important for customers because, they increasingly expect better visibility. They don't just want power. They want to understand what the system's doing. They want it to be simple, seamless, easy to understand. So these are kind of taking that a step further from the predecessors.